Hi everybody, I know it's a little late and I should be watching my movie, and I'm going to be in bed real soon, I promise. I just want to do something real quick. I know Tony has been saying at church to a lot of people to unsubscribe me. Don't listen to him, he's just a little upset. I didn't step in his shoes when I told him. He's just having a hard time that we have a strong bond, which is our friendship. We have a very strong friendship, and he's taking it a little bit too heavy on everyone. But Tony is a really amazing guy. I do like his channel very much. But I'll wait until he does come out around. But until he does, I just want to show you guys that's his channel. He actually talked to me on here. Yeah, it's a little bit better. He did a live stream. Yeah, exit the video right there. He talked about a lot of Starbucks, and I do appreciate all his work. And he knows that I like him, but it's not okay to have him to be off the rails with anyone for that matter. I don't need a hug. I don't need Bob's Boys. Tim had talked to me about Tony before. Now Moving Sue got on to me, being obsessed about him. I'm not obsessed with Tony. Not even one bit. The reason why everyone thinks I am, but I'm not. I'm not demanding anything. I know I said tomorrow after practice to have a scrimmage, but I'd like them to know that Moving Sue is also one of my good ones. And I'll show all of you her channel. Let me go ahead and get there real quick. Review channel. She's also recommend a lot of good movies. She does physical media, live streams, talk about non-stop birthday live streams, any questions, we can watch, what's new for Blue. She goes to outbouts to store by store, which I enjoy. Hug has an amazing jingle for Sue on his channel. But it's not okay to have permission to really score me for life on YouTube. The reason why I'm on here is for my channel to really work out. And I do have a lot to show off. I have 803 because it looks like Tony is telling people to unsubscribe me. On Sundays, he goes to church. And Wednesdays too, he's telling everyone at church that have everyone to unsubscribe me. That's not a friend should be doing. I've been on this YouTube since 12 years, and he's making this really hard on me. It's not me who's doing this. Now, I appreciate all your support in my channel. Thank you for loving my movies and everything else. Yes, I'm going to get some more stuff into it now. Then before we lay down, and maybe before I go to watch my Blu-ray of The Meg, I'll show you the disc. But I'm not apologizing right now. For me, I'm going through a lot too. And I know I have been over messaging Tony. I didn't mean to. I just wanted to talk to him. But looks like I am not that kind of person to tell everyone that I'm not into Tony as I'm not his wife. I'm not his kids. And I don't want Tony to be my husband. That's what everybody thinks I am, but I am not. I have a boyfriend. My boyfriend is in Oklahoma. He's very busy with his work at Walmart. And I want to let everybody know that I have bad days too. I'm tired. I'm exhausted from my out-of-town Special Olympics. And I get my parents to help out from woodworking through antennas for my dad. And shrubs and everything else from my mom. We're doing so much here, and I'm doing a whole lot otherwise. No wonder I can't watch any of my great movies that I'm talking about right now. I know we should sit down and talk tomorrow, but I just wanted to get a love message in to everybody to let you know that I do appreciate the support and the love and everything you gave me. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. I really usually get 8 or 5. I'm in the 800s. So I'm hoping everyone can really understand what I'm talking about. I know you guys can hear me. But Tony is asleep right now. So I'm redoing what I should be doing. Before we go to watch this is my 5th movie to watch on my Starbucks. Let you know of Jason Statham. This is the one I added to my collection of steelbooks. I have over 11 steelbooks. The Meg, Jason Statham. One more that I got to understand. Why can everyone comment on this movie? Forsaken, like Father, like Son. We got Heifer and Donna Sutherland. I picked this one up because it has Donald and it has Heifer who plays Ace in Stand By Me. And I thought this would be a very good movie to watch. So can you please comment on this movie, please? Forsaken. I think it's a really good movie. I haven't seen it. I got like other finds and pickups and others. I know I should be in bed a long time from now because I had to get up at 7:30. Most people do get up pretty early than I do. But I have an early shift in the morning at the Y. Let me tell you, those little kids they take a lot of energy out of me, and it's not that easy because after that I have lunch and then I have softball. I took some medicine for my shoulder because I'm over batting when I'm still up the bat at softball, so that's why my shoulder is kind of tender. So let's go over some horror films real quick and then we call it a night. So we have the movie of Popcorn. I would love to have a popcorn bucket. Guys, I need another collection in my collectibles. I heard good things about this one. I've seen it before. I'm hoping to rewatch it. It's not that scary if you like horror films. I'm 41. Oh, by the way, when I said about my test, and we got the results on Wednesday, actually the results came in Saturday. I had no cancer, guys. To let you all know that, girls too, because Tony was a little upset when I told him. Because cancer is very, very serious. And I don't want to hear that in my family's genes. So that's, I think Tony got a little scared, disappointed and mad at me. So that's probably why that Tony is what he is right now. So I'm trying my best to let him cool off. If he wants to talk to me, he can talk to me. When he just goes to the church, guys, if you please to subscribe to my channel, I'll be very, very pleased. So please check out my Biscuit Media. Check out my horror movies. Now I'll let you know when I get back on. Last segment before we fall asleep. I have watched Candyman like 3 times. This is the original. If you say his name 5 times, he comes out. But it's not true, it's just a movie. So I enjoyed this. Set mod. This plays on my player next to me. It's called MA, as a mature movie. It's a 15 plus. You have to be over 15 and up. I think I saw it one time, so I decided to check this movie out and see what it is. It's just a DVD inside. It's hard to look at. So yeah. I know he's gonna be up here in a few minutes because I shouldn't be up this late. But I like to get this in real quick before we do that late now. Now, as for my dad, he got me the same movie as in Fortnite. I like to get this on Steelbook, but when he went online, he got me the same movie, same format, by mistake. That's why I told him I got the same one. So we have Chris Sheldon, Roddy McDowell, and Amanda Bears. I'm trying to pronounce these names. That was a good one. We had the Carrie with Julianne Moore. some of these I have seen, and some of them I need to rewatch. Now I got a Carrie collection. If you want to help me to do a video for Carrie, please let me know down below in the comments box, right down there. It has Hunt with the Demons, which I enjoy. You know me, I'm obsessed with horror films and movies. Again, I love Huck. I don't know about Bob, but who just talk to you and then he blocks you again? He had been blocking me before. Tony didn't really block me that much on YouTube, but he does block me on Instagram. So we have Candyman, Say It, because I'm noticing that all the live streams I have been on, they have been actually skipping and not reading my comments and my messages a lot. And I do get really, really angry about that. We have Tony Todd, Virginia Madsen. I have two types of Candyman. So I just want to let you know about that real quick. We have John Carter, my favorite. We watched this since Halloween marathon. It's a good film. I enjoyed the thing. It's just a black disc. So that's it for these. So please, 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 please comment on this film. I'm going to sit this down real quick. Okay, one by one. But me, then we call it a night. It's not even 1 o'clock yet. Here's, I don't know who directed this one, but we got The Night of the Living Dead. Again, I don't have no Blu-rays or Starbucks or 4Ks out of these. I'm trying to slow my words down just a bit. There we go. I like all movies. I like all formats. It doesn't really matter what the movie is. But I do not want VHSs anymore, because we're giving up on those. That's why we go on DVDs, Blu-rays, 4Ks, and Starbucks. I haven't seen this yet. I'm hoping I will do. It's a Blue Underground film. We got Dario Argento, which I have air videos on those. We're almost done. We got B.C. Andrews, which I need to go back reading, which I'm a fan of reading my chapter books. We also have series of the Lifetime Fancy Andrews series. Again, from here as well as Lifetime. Lifetime we also watch. I hit all 4 collection. We have a tray, but I don't want to we're almost done. I know I keep saying that, but I'm trying to not go too fast. I'm trying to keep up the pace. We have Spell. It's also a great Disney trying to save money. Of course, we have the Return of the Living Dead. So again, I'm not apologizing to Tony right now. Not like that, because I have been busy myself. We have Funhouse. But I'll wait until he comes to me. Until he says something to me. I want my 4K Kingdom Lore of the Cujo. Stephen King. I know it's scary because it's the dog movie, but it's really good. But I still need my Kingdom Lore. Then we have Carrie with Cece Speck and John Travolta. But I need the other Carries than like everybody else's. I know that's not, I'm not saying. I'm not trying to beat out anybody with the same movies. It's just that I'm into those 2. Last one, Demons 2. The Night of the Demons. But we need to get the other demons on the 4K format. Trick or Treat, Sucker. So that's it, guys. So that's all of these 4 movies. Put this back on my bed. And then these. And that's it. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Please try to understand what I'm trying to explain to everybody. Because I set my alarm for 7:30 and it's coming up at 1 o'clock. I like you guys. You're like my family, my friends. You mean a lot to me. And I'm not just saying that. I'm truly not a bad person. I just had a big mouth and a big head. So just keep it back to you guys and be there for me when I need you to talk. But I see you guys later. But let's see what else we can talk about, and I'll go from there. I had wrote down everything that we talked over 12 years. That'll be coming up in the channel. So I'm saying good night. It is late night, midnight, but it's not reviews. It's just DVDs we're just going over. So you guys have a good week and have a fun time at work week. And I see you guys maybe tomorrow. Bye everyone.